Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create photo blur background. This is a clean method of Photoshop. First of all, open your photo, then press Ctrl plus J to duplicate the layer. Now go to the filter, select blur and also select Gaussian blur. Increase blur until soft background, then press OK and click add layer mask. Select brush tool, set brush color black, paint over subject becomes clear. Adjust brush softness and refine edges slowly. Zoom in for accuracy.